Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Lee Murray knows email marketing, and he has a product called TRK NicheDown. That's meaningless, but TRK stands for the Rotator Kit, which is a Earl rotator. And my headline to this is Email Marketing Profits Solved. And so he has put together a system. And you're going to love this. A, you're going to love there's a big deal on the price right now. B, you're going to love the system, even if you steal from his idea and make your own one. But why would you do that when you can grab the whole kit for like 17 bucks? Let's go inside and I'll show you what I'm talking about. By the way, the link in the video description will take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. The blog post for TRK NicheDown. What do we got? Well, we got a blah, blah, blah. And it breaks down. So there is a TRK NicheDown Basic, 45 human written formatted monetized emails, 3 distinct sub niches. So it gets, I'll describe that in a minute, all for what used to be 47. Today, I think for a couple of days, 17 bucks. That saves you 30 bucks just for watching the video. And then they have a premium version, which is, I'm pretty sure, another 3 of these, and also has the funnel commissions. I'm not sure how that works, but anyhow, bonus 30 traffic swipes to build your list. So it said 97, today it's 27. That just saved you 70 bucks. Let me go inside and show you what I'm talking about, the actual system, because I love this. Somewhere up here, you go, yeah, here we go. So evergreen emails. Okay, get that out of there. There we go. Evergreen emails. How does that work? And here you go, the rotator emails. That's what I'm talking about. So the rotator, and what he says is you make these generic so that they're like, hey, come find out more information. This will make you money. It's just fresh out, that kind of stuff that's generic. And then you go, you only promote one link within your email, your rotator link, and the rotator is full of all your affiliate links and contain as many affiliate links as you want. You can promote dozens of these high converting offers from WarriorPlus, JVZoo, Digistore 24, direct business opportunity links, and then you'll see which ones convert and which don't. And you obviously keep the best ones that are paying well. And what he said is, that's a great idea. And they have a whole system. If you look on my site and you search for TRK, that has that kind of thing. But here you go. Keep the offers. You don't have to fix individual emails. You're covered for life. So you set up this list of them. And then here he goes. They aren't niche down enough. So these ones are going to be niche down to internet marketing niches. And yes, so you can now promote traffic sources and systems, software and training with AI, business in general, make money. So 15 high level emails for each of these 3 niches. And your only job is to create one simple rotator for each one, plug each rotator link into its niche email. And now it's more specific and it will convert much better. So, did I have the thing at the top of the prices? I think it was, sorry, I'm scrolling around to go there. Okay, so here we go. 17 bucks instead of 47, 2 days, and about 2 days from now. Today is the 31st of July at about 10 o'clock in the morning. So let's call it until sometime in August 2nd. I'm going to cut it short. Click the link. It'll take you to my site. You get to see the bit more information about this. Again, if you want to search for the generic ones, just search for TRK or Lee Murray, and that'll pop up at my site. If not, you're going right to the blog post for this TRK NicheDown, which gets more specific, gets more into it. So it's internet marketing specific, and it's everything you need to make money from online marketing, internet marketing. You'll see what I mean. Click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. This is from Lee Murray, and it's called TRK NicheDown. Click the link and go check it out right now.